honey. Here in South Africa we have a problem with vandals who come in and steal all our honey. So we don't stack many supers high. We come in during a flow and swap out the supers, which is what we're doing now. We know these colonies are very strong, and the supers have been on here long enough for us to be able to check if there's honey. What we're going to do now is we're going to open up the hive. We'll check the frames first, make sure that most of them have got honey on them. If they don't have honey, when we're loading them, those frames that are not fully capped get placed into another super, which we place onto another box as we're moving through. But we're going to do a quick changeover, and then we sort through the frames afterwards. We've smoked this box nicely before we start. Obviously we don't want to be dealing with loads of very angry bees, which we probably are in any case, so let's have a look-see. Alright, so normally what I do is I place the lid in front of the hive like that. We give it a good smoking on top, just to move some of the bees down. We don't want to put too much smoke, otherwise we're going to make our honey taste like old socks. By looking at the last frame, I can see that there is already honey capped here and on the opposite end, so this super is ready to go.
Listen, what are you doing?
Two suits over each other. Prepping myself for that hell.
Two suits?
Yeah, two suits.
Why?
Because these ones are aggressive, extra aggressive for some reason. Defensive, but I call it aggressive. But yeah.